This 2026 Winnebago Ekko 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 5, air conditioning, LP detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, microwave, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, TV, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.